Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Charm Bracelet is probably one of the most delightful and creative ways for young artisans to express their unique style and craft personalized accessories, offering a fantastic opportunity to dive into the world of jewelry making with a plethora of colorful beads, dazzling charms, and easy-to-use components that allow for endless design possibilities and hours of engaging fun. Number 5. Amazing Time Charm Bracelet Making Kit. Discover the Amazing Time Charm Bracelet Making Kit, a complete set designed for creative girls. It's packed with everything you need to start crafting unique jewelry right away. Inside this beautiful gift box, you'll find everything to make stunning bracelets. With multiple chains, colorful beads, and charming pendants, the possibilities are endless. Making beautiful bracelets has never been easier. Simply mix and match the beads and charms without any tools or glue. It's a fun and mess-free crafting experience. Create bracelets that truly represent you. These adjustable bracelets can be customized to fit perfectly and match any outfit or mood. Wear a different one every day. This kit is the ultimate DIY jewelry toy for girls aged 5 to 12. It makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Watch their creativity shine. Designed for hours of entertainment, this kit encourages creativity and fine motor skills. It's a wonderful way for kids to express themselves through fashion. What we like. This kit comes in a beautiful gift box, perfect for gifting. It includes full instructions and no tools or glue are needed, making it a mess-free crafting experience. If you are looking for a complete and easy-to-use charm bracelet making kit for girls aged 8 to 12 that offers great value, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a great craft kit for kids. It has a lot of charms and beads to choose from. The bracelet making kit is easy to use and the instructions are clear. My daughter loved this kit. She spent hours making bracelets for all her friends. Number 4. Mio Angle Beginner Bracelet Making Kit. Discover the joy of jewelry making with this complete starter kit. It has everything a beginner needs to create beautiful pieces, from a vast array of beads and charms to all the essential tools. Designed with beginners in mind, this kit comes with easy-to-follow instructions and video tutorials. You'll learn to make bracelets, jewelry, and earrings with confidence, enjoying a relaxing and fun crafting experience. Craft with peace of mind. Our clay beads are made from safe, non-toxic, and waterproof materials, perfect for kids aged 6 and up. They are comfortable to wear, even during water activities. With thousands of vibrant clay beads and a wide variety of charm accessories, the creative possibilities are endless. Mix and match to design unique jewelry that truly expresses your personal style. Spark imagination and creativity with this fantastic bracelet making kit. It's an ideal gift for birthdays and holidays, helping to enhance hand-eye coordination and concentration. We ensure top-notch quality for a flawless crafting experience. If you encounter any issues, our dedicated customer service is ready to assist you promptly. What we like. This is an all-in-one starter kit with over 5,000 pieces, perfect for beginners with step-by-step instructions and video tutorials. The clay beads are safe, non-toxic, and waterproof. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that offers endless creative possibilities and is safe for kids, this is the one to consider. What people say. So many different bead options. The string it comes with is great quality as well. Easy to use. The colors are bright and beautiful. Great variety of colors. Easy to use. Best for 8 to 15. The younger ones struggled a tiny bit because these are smaller. There's a lot of the beads, and multiple boxes of black and white, which I personally liked because those are often used as filler colors on bracelets. Everything was neatly prepared, and the little handbook gives instructions for younger people or anyone that needs a little help. Number 3. UFU Charm Bracelet Making Kit. Discover the UFU Charm Bracelet Making Kit, a delightful craft gift designed to inspire imagination in girls aged 5 to 12. It's the perfect way to spark creativity and create unique accessories. Looking for a special Christmas or birthday gift? This kit offers a fun and imaginative DIY experience, making it an ideal present for girls who love to create. Everything comes neatly organized in a high-quality, portable jewelry box. It's lightweight and easy to carry, ensuring beads and charms stay tidy wherever you go. Create your very own exclusive charm bracelets and necklaces. With themes like mermaid, rainbow, cosmic, and fairy, you can customize your jewelry to match any style. No tools or glue needed. Simply string the beads onto the adjustable chain and screw on the end cap. It's incredibly easy to make beautiful bracelets that fit perfectly. This comprehensive kit includes 66 pieces, featuring snake chain bracelets, necklaces, spacer beads, and a variety of charming pendants. You'll have everything you need to start creating right away. What we like. This kit features a portable jewelry box for easy storage and transport, and it's incredibly easy to use with no tools or glue required. It allows for DIY customization with various themes like mermaid and rainbow. If you prioritize organization and ease of use while offering creative themed options, this kit is ideal. What people say. Great starter jewelry maker. Kept her entertained and excited to see what different designs she can come up with. Easy to keep contained in the cute pink box. Nice charms and beads. The charms are adorable, and love the Pandora style look much better than the plastic crappy bead jewelry making kits for kids. Number 2. UFU Charm Bracelet Making Kit. Looking for a perfect gift for the creative girl in your life? This charm bracelet making kit is designed to inspire imagination and endless fun. It's a wonderful way for her to express her unique style. This kit provides everything she needs to create beautiful, personalized bracelets. It's an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or just because, offering hours of engaging, hands-on crafting. Everything comes neatly organized in a portable jewelry box, making it easy to take her creativity on the go. No more lost beads or messy crafting sessions. With a variety of themes like mermaid, princess, and fairy tale, she can mix and match charms and beads to design bracelets that truly reflect her personality. The possibilities are limitless. Crafting is a breeze with this kit, no tools or glue required. The adjustable bracelets ensure a perfect fit for most young wrists, making it simple for her to wear her creations proudly. Inside, you'll find bracelets, necklaces, rings, a wide assortment of charms and beads, plus a handy guide with design ideas. It's a complete package for a delightful DIY adventure. What we like. This kit includes a portable jewelry box and a separate gift box, making it perfect for gifting. It offers a variety of bracelet types, necklaces, and even adjustable rings, with easy DIY assembly. If you want a kit that provides a wide range of jewelry making components and a delightful unboxing experience, this is a great option. What people say. Great starter jewelry maker. Kept her entertained and excited to see what different designs she can come up with. Easy to keep contained in the cute pink box. Nice charms and beads. The charm bracelet making kit is a sparkly extravaganza that had my living room looking like a unicorn thrown up in the best possible way. With 66 pieces of pure bling, it's the perfect recipe for crafting chaos and endless giggles. Number 1. LovelyMoon Bracelet Making Kit. Imagine the excitement as she unwraps this amazing bracelet making kit. It's packed with everything she needs to create her own unique designs, making it the ultimate gift for girls ages 6 to 12. Picture her surrounded by colorful beads, creating countless beautiful designs. With a huge variety of beads and charms, the possibilities for her creations are truly endless. Think about the joy of her making personalized friendship bracelets for her best friends. This kit is perfect for expressing her unique style or creating heartfelt gifts for loved ones. She can start crafting right away with simple, step-by-step directions included. It's designed for beginners, ensuring she has a blast while improving her skills. Give the gift of hours of creative fun for birthdays or holidays. You'll love seeing her smile as she proudly wears or gifts the jewelry she's made herself. This isn't just a craft kit, it's an entire creative adventure. It's a gift that keeps on giving, inspiring her imagination and making lasting memories. What we like. With over 3,400 beads, this kit offers endless crafting possibilities, focusing on creating friendship bracelets and personalized gifts. It's designed for easy starting with step-by-step instructions, helping to develop hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. If you're looking for a kit that encourages creativity, social connection through friendship bracelets, and skill development, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The kit includes a variety of charms and beads, allowing for creative customization. The bracelet clasps are easy to open and close, making it simple for children to use. The charms are well made and have intricate designs, adding a touch of elegance to the finished bracelets. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.